38.18. Doesn't improve on that European record of 45.39. He stays in 11th. Here's Helgi Sveinsson.
And the question is, can he break the 60-meter mark finally? Not in this attempt, but he has another few attempts to go.
Well, Helgi let out a yelp. He's the F42 world record and championship record holder. That championship record he set in Doha 2 years ago. He was nice enough to set the world record on the 6th of May this year, my birthday. Good man, Helgi. .56.74, a championship record for that man. He's broken his previous one. Men's 400 metres, T12.